Students, we are going to start with English Grammar Unit 12, Relative Pronouns. Now, a relative pronoun refers to a noun going before it. It is used to join two sentences. So, what it is telling? Relative pronouns means indirectly you can say that the pronoun which is related to each other. Now, here it is telling that relative pronoun is used means a noun which is there. Here you can see I like boys who are honest. So here before relative pronoun there is noun. Here boys, book, pen, boy, which is what this is all noun, and after that we are using relative pronoun, that is who, that, which, means it is related to this sentence. So we can say it relative pronoun. I like boys who are honest. So here boys, which is noun, and who, it is relative pronoun, and the boys is used before relative pronoun. Here is the book that you lent me. So here book is also noun, and before that, before a relative pronoun, we are using noun. Now see here, who is used for people only. So this is telling that in this sentence we use who when we are talking about any people or any person. He is the boy who won the race. So boy is a person, people. So we are using who. A thief is a person who steals things. So person is also, here you can see person is written, means it is people, person. So we are using who. Boys who work hard get good marks. So boys means it is people, person. So we are using who. So you have to remember that we are using who when we are talking about people or person. That is used for things as an aeroplane is a machine that flies. So here machine is what? Thing. We are using that with things. I have lost the watch that you gave me. So machine, watch, car, these are all things, and we have to use that before when we are talking about things. Now here we can use that for people also, but who is better. So this is telling that we can use with people also, but that doesn't suit. So we are using who is better. Now see, he is the man who stole my purse. He is the man that stole my purse. So who looks better, that's why we are using who. Which is used for things and animals. So we are using which for things and animals. Now see, an aeroplane is a machine which is a thing. So machine which flies. So we are using here which. I have lost the watch that you gave me. So here watch is written, means it is, we are talking about anything. Watch is a thing. So we are using which. The horse which he has bought runs very fast. So here horse is animal. So when we are talking about animal, we are using which. Now here you can see we can use who, that and which to join sentences. We all know that we are using who, which, that, but, because, all these words we use to join two sentences. So here we will read about who, that and which. I met a girl, full stop, she was very tall. So now we have to join these two sentences. So here you can see girl, means we are talking about person. So what we will use? Who. So I met a girl who was very tall. We will cut this she, we will not use this she, and who was very tall. You gave me a watch, full stop, I have lost it. Now watch is a thing. So what we will use? Which or that we can use. So I have lost the watch that or which you gave me. Now an aeroplane is a machine, full stop, it can fly. Now we are talking about machine, means we are talking about thing. So what we will use? An aeroplane is a machine that / which can fly. So we have to remember that for a person we will use who, for any animal or thing we will use which, and we can use that also with an thing. Now here is exercise. Match the items and write sentences using who. One has been done as an example. So one is already done. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to match the sentence using who. Now a liar, so we are using who means we are talking about person. So we can write a liar is a person who doesn't tell the truth. Now second one, a fool. So who is fool? Person, because we are using who, that's why we are talking about person. So a fool is a person who is very stupid. You can see a dentist. So a dentist is a person. A dentist is a person who looks after your teeth. Now see, a musician. A musician is a person who plays a musical instrument. So we were talking about person, and that's why we were using who. Put in who or which. Now what you have to do, you have to put who or which. So remember, for person we will put who, and for anything or animal we will put which. She had a box, blank had no lid. So now box is written means it is a thing, we will use which. He is the boy, blank, who has stood first. So boy was there, that's why we have used who. It was a big tree. Tree is a thing. So it is not a person, then that's why we will use which they cut down. Now everyone, blank, was there, enjoyed the party. Now they are talking in general, everyone. So everyone means they are talking about person. That's why we have used who. He asked a question, blank was difficult to answer. So talking about question means it is talking about things. So we will use which. Put a cross against sentences that are wrong, underline the mistake and correct it. Means you have to see this sentence and you have to put tick mark or wrong. If the sentence is incorrect, you have to put cross, and if the sentence is right, you have to do tick mark. First is, a liar is a person which tells lies. Now I have told you that for person we will use who, not which. That's why this sentence is wrong. We have to put cross over here and we have to write who. Now say, I dislike people which talk too much. So people means we will put who. So we have to cross this sentence and we have to write who. Now a kite is a toy who can fly in the air. Now a kite is a toy means they are talking about thing. So that's why we will put which over here. I have lost the money who was in my pocket. Now they are talking about money. So money is a thing and we have to put which. So we will cut this, put here cross mark and we will write which. So here our chapter is over. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.